How to reinstall the Klarna app on your iPhone. If you're trying to reinstall the Klarna app on your iPhone, you should know that it's possible. If you're using an iPhone, go to the App Store. Go to the search bar at the bottom right corner. And then on the top corner, type on Klarna. Click on the app that shows first. It's right here. If you already downloaded the Klarna app earlier, you can click on the cloud button right here. If you haven't downloaded it yet, a get button will appear so you can download it by using your Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. It will download in a few seconds depending upon your internet speed. After the App Store installs your app, you can open it, and then if you already have an account, you can just sign back in. The app will even sign you back in easily. So that's how you reinstall the Klarna app. You can also continue using your old account just like this. Keep in mind that uninstalling the app will not delete your account, and you can use your account again. So that's how you know how to reinstall Klarna app. Like and subscribe for more app tips.